Hi, DMari. This is Dr. Vicky. Today is Monday. It is, let me see, almost 12 noon. Good job. Appreciate your persistence on working on your blog here. I see that you do have your About Me and your first blog post and your intention statement. But you do not have the menu links over here. Initially, you had the information over here and not on a page. Let me walk you through what I'm talking about. Let me go to one so that I can show you what I'm talking about. See right here on mine, there's menu buttons. And if you click on About Me, the menu button's here, and then the information is here. And then on the intention statement, I click on the menu button, and then there's the intention statement. Now, how do we do that? How we do that is you have to be in the editing section, the customization of your site. So let me do that. Let me go to my sites. Let me go to, there we have it. So I'm ready to edit it. So the site. Under the site, you need a page for About Me and a page for intention statement. Not just a post, you need a page. So what you'll do is you'll go to Pages, click on Pages. See, here's all of my pages. What you will do is you will click Add a New Page. And when you add a new page, a template's going to come up, and you have to pick which kind of page you want to add. Normally, I just pick blank so I can put the information I want, and then I can click title. Like on this particular one, you would put About Me. And then you'd click down here and you'd put all your information that you had on just a post under the About Me page. Okay, when you're done and you like it, you hit publish. And then after you publish it, it will be available to see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. So now you have pages, and we put the About Me, right? Now I've got to go back to this site, go to Design, Customize. Right here's the menu. We need to put your pages on a menu so that they end up, you have a menu right here linked to your pages over here. So when you click Menu, it has to be a primary menu. And here's all of the pages I have on my menu. But since you don't have that yet, you'd have to click Primary and then add a page. But you'd already created the About Me page. I just showed you how. So you hit Add Items, and you'll go and you'll find what you just created, which is the About Me, and click on it and hit Add. Okay? I'm not going to do that because I already have the ad on mine. All right? So that's what I'm asking you to do. Okay? I'm asking you to create a page right here for About Me and intention statement. Then go to Customize, Menu, Primary Menu, and add the pages to your menu so that they show up here. Okay? I hope that's helpful. Please make that correction and let me know, and I look forward to seeing the great things that you create. Bye-bye.